This is a pretty straightforward living challenge for white. So there are really not a whole lot of options. White must protect this stone at d18. Otherwise, black will just capture this stone and white will die very easily. So how can white protect this stone? Right, you can connect here, but that's not going to work. Black will just come in and destroy this eye. Pretty obvious move. And after all these exchanges, this is not going to be a seki, because once black plays on the outside like this is a tari. And white must connect here, and now this is going to be a bent 3 shape, a dead shape. So this is not seki even after number 7, and white is already dead after number 6. What about standing down here? Seems like a nice move, but this problem, number 2 right here, persists. White just can't deal with it. You cannot let number 2 connect back, number 4, so you have to try to swallow it. But because of the cutting point here and here, it's not going to be a seki. It's going to be a dead shape. This is the same as the previous pattern. So that is why a little bit of calculation will lead us to the correct answer right here at E19. Black can still try to come in, but white can make this eye first. And then simply by throwing in here and connecting at number 7, this is a connect and die. Nothing black can do, really. Kind of one move short in killing white, and white will be able to live after 1, 3, and 5 right here, throwing in and playing this connect and die. Of course, there are a couple other variations, all very simple. Obviously, number 3 will guarantee white's survival as well. If black plays on the outside, then white can just make this eye or this eye. Should be pretty easy. So overall, pretty basic problem. Not very complicated because there are really not a whole lot of good options out there. And if this ever comes up in a game, just slow down, pause for a few seconds, and figure out how to save this stone, and you should be able to find the correct answer. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.